Okay, Snowfish here again. Guess what? No rotor was in there. You probably saw me posting, I can't find that rotor well. I have one coming, ordered it on Amazon. Don't have it yet. There was no rotor in there. I stuck the old one back in to see if maybe it'll do something. Let's give it a shot. There it is again. I hope it rumbles. Would be kind of cool. I just kind of excited, just got it in, so just want to hear something pop on it, and then I'll shut her down, and you can see I've got tons of work to do here. Look at that. All kinds of crap. Okay. Enough of the theatrics. Let's see if this baby will fire. Listen to that! Holy crap! Well, there it is, first fire. I guess it didn't take much. Here, let's just go about it. I think the oil light's out. I can't hear a stinking thing. Driver door ajar brake, yeah, I know that. Anyway, that sounds pretty good to me, actually. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. I suppose I can give it a little burp just for good measure. Let's see what happens here. It.